The salt trick is fantastic for bright, vibrant colors like this red chill, as well as like dark denim, even black. This works wonderfully on any of these things. All right, so what you're gonna do, first you're gonna wash the item in cold water with 3/4 cup of iodized salt. You heard me right. Then you're gonna wash the item with 1/4 cup iodized salt, as well as just a pinch of laundry detergent. Pinch, just like the salt you would put in your water. Then you're gonna do a rinse cycle. Both of those cycles are cold, and ta-da! You've got that vibrant, beautiful color preserved into the item. Again, this works really well on blacks. This works really well on dark denim. And then items like this red, it works beautifully on as well.